Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for RedNote app on your phone. Step 1. Open the App Store. Step 2. At the bottom top search, tap RedNote in the search bar at the top and the press search when you see the RedNote app, tap it. Step 3. Tap the get button. Step 4. Once installed, tap open and launch the app. Step 5. On the main screen, tap sign up or create account. You will see a ask for email, password, sometimes your username. Step 6. Fill the details carefully, tap sign up and create account. When done, you may receive a verification email. Open it and tap the link to confirm your account. Step 6. Now you can use RedNote to write notes, and that's it. Now you know how to use. I hope you find this video helpful. Drop some like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.